you guys? It's your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of the good vibes that I have going on over here. And today, if you haven't read the title, I am doing the Disney collection by Morphe. Yes, I'm over the late per usual. I need to get it together. The Mickey and Friends Morphe collection, the Disney collection, if you didn't know, came with two palettes. It came with a big palette like this with all of these colors, and then it came with a small palette like this, which resembles Mickey Mouse. I really don't know the pricing of it all because it's not on a website anymore. And then it came with 3 lipsticks, which I will show later on in the video, but the packaging is too cute. It's adorable. This is cute. All right, and then it came with brushes, 6 brushes. I did use some of them, you will see inside the video. So if you want to see what looks I came up with using both the palettes and how the lipstick looked, then let's get right into this video. Upon editing the video, I realized that I didn't do the lipsticks, which blew minds, because now I have to edit this portion real quickly and try to post it real quickly. So I'm gonna do the 3 lipsticks. So this lipstick is Bo Babe, nice brownish nude. What is that? Definitely gonna have to put lip liner with this, but I feel like it matches my skin like perfectly. Better with some lip gloss. Yeah, so I like that a lot. Definitely use your liner with that if you have this already, gals. Y'all probably already doing it and it's like I'm late to the party, but next one is Goody Goody, which is a nice pink, like fuchsia color. This reminds me of the Nicki Minaj one. I used to wear this all the time. I'm gonna insert a picture if I can find it with just wearing lipstick and nothing else. That was crazy. And I would wear it just like this thinking I was cute. Oh no. It's a very dry lipstick. It's not like, no. It's no moisture, no nothing. Okay. I like that. And if you didn't know, this is Chestnut by MAC, but this is the Tiana Taylor X MAC collection, or MAC X Tiana Taylor, however you want to put it. Yeah, this lipstick is very dry. Like, it don't feel like we have anything on, but it's still like very dry. I like it though. This is cute. Alright, next one is the red one, which is, oh boy. And the red one gotta be hitting because it's red. If the red ain't hitting, it's a dub. It's so dry. I don't feel like this is hitting like my Fenty Stutter Paint Uncensored, but it is a nice red. It's very dry though. I don't like dry lipstick where I feel like I need, you know, chapstick or, you know, lip moisturizer. So, I don't know. So being that I have the big palette as well, I'm not going to do too much with this eye look. It has 9 colors. I already tried to use it already. So I'm going to try it again and see if I can get a better outcome this time. So I'm going to go into Hey Shorty, which is the one in the middle, which is red. I feel like this red is showing up more pink and not so like a vibrant red. I'm gonna mix the red with All Ears, which is the black color. Yeah, you see that? Then I'm gonna clean it up and cut it. Alright, going into my P. Louise base. Well, I'm putting red on the outside anyway, so. Then in the inner corner, I'm going to put in OG. I'm going to go into Daria, which is the nice shimmery red. It's not even that shimmery, like what? Then I'm gonna go into Bright Expression, which is the yellow one. I'm gonna put some Free Reign right there, which is the gold shade. And then I went into Hey Shorty for the top part, just to, you know, try to get it to do what it's supposed to do. So I guess that one's making it better. I did had on a bonnet, but now I got my stocking cap on. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild liner. Now that I have that, I'm like, what should I put under my waterline? I don't know if I should continue to put black and red under my waterline. I feel like if I put red, I'm gonna look like I have a black eye. This is what I have so far. I'm gonna go with Hey Shorty, which is the red one. Just pack it on there. Then I'm gonna go into the yellow shade, Bright Expression, which I should have did instead of going all the way with the red. I'm really loving this look. I don't want to take it off. I don't want to take this off. Oh my god, this is Scortiana. Why didn't I think of this before? That's what I'm saying. When you get to palettes, you think of different things to do. I'm really liking this. So the next thing will be the bigger palette. Yes, I know my skin is horrible. I'm trying to fix it now. Yes. I have dark spots, I have blemishes, I have blackheads, I have whiteheads, I have pimples here and there. Yes, I am flawed. Thank you. Going into Secret Weapon, I'm gonna put that into the crease here. This is the Morphe 431 brush. Then I'm gonna go into Koi Toy, which is like a pink fuchsia color out here. The side you pick up the product on, you want to go to the other side and only get the tip. Then I'm going to go into the yellow in the smaller palette because the yellow in the bigger palette is like kind of dull and I want a bright yellow. I don't feel like it's blending as it usually do. I don't know what's going on with Morphe, but this palette is killing me. It's stressing me out. Morphe usually have bomb palette. I don't know what's going on. Like, is it me? Am I the drama? Because this pink and yellow should have made orange, right? Siri, hey Siri, what does yellow and pink make?
One sec. I found an answer. It's displayed on your iPhone.
Orange, yeah. It should be blending, and it's not. Let me put yellow in this inner corner right here, in this corner right here. Cutting it if I didn't say. This could have been better, but it's giving me you tried, hope. You tried. Going back into my P. Louise base and doing a wing because I'm like going total opposite of what I should be doing. I should have did this first, but I feel like I'm doing the same look as the last one, which I probably am, but whatever. All right, going into Bright Expression, which is the yellow one, and putting that in the inner wing portion that I just created. Just packing it on there. Then going into So Fearless, which is the orange shade, and just like drag it out. That was not the shade I was supposed to go into. I was supposed to go into Koi Toy. Going into Koi Toy. Then I'm going to go back into Secret Weapon, which is the blue shade. Guess I'm going to have to put purple in there. The yellow is separating. Great. We love that. Okay, now that I have that, I like how this is looking so far. But now what am I going to do? I'm going to use Salty AF by P. Louise Base and just trace over. Try to be precise. My hand is so ashy from doing this palette numerous times. I am loving that. I don't know if I shall continue. Let me do this bottom piece. Let me clean this wing. I need to get some Q-tips. I don't got no clean ones here. Should I continue this? I think I shall. Juvia's place wants my coins. I'm liking that. Let's do the outer wing. Sit and talk to you. Somebody blasting money long. I'm guessing this is what happens when you don't play makeup in a long time, that you lose your mojo. Let's get it back, shall we? Now for the part that I should have did first before that. I have to clean this, of course. Sorry, I'm giving you out a middle finger. I have to clean this, of course. I gotta try to, you know, do what it do, baby. Of course, I have to go over the blue again. Decided to connect it. Now in the middle, I'm like, should I do yellow, pink, and blue? But do I really want my inner corner to be dark? Let's go back in with Bright Expression. Nope, I don't think I should. I'm having a hard time with this palette. It's stressing me out. It's making me ashy, stressing me out. It's making me itchy. All this powder all over the place. Major Look might be the one. So let's try Major Look. Major Look is not the one. Or should it be Stop and Stare? Let's see. Somebody help me. I do not know how I feel about this. I really don't. Maybe I'm allergic because I keep scratching my face. God, it's annoying me. Now I gotta find a glitter. What kind of glitter, guys? I have this like pink ass glitter, but it's like really pink. Going into this pink. Are you giving me life? Okay, something different. We love that. I'm kind of liking that. I almost dropped the whole glitter pot. And this I got from Amazon, so. I decided to add this up here. I'm gonna get my P. Louise base and start to, you know, carve that out. Put some glue on his beard. My hairs are in the way. Yeah, I'm liking that. I'm gonna finish it, and the corner of my eyes is crying. I feel like this side right here is bigger than this side. But when the lashes come on, you can't tell the difference. So, under my eye, I'm gonna do the same dark blue, pink, and yellow. Should I put like stones somewhere? Should I? What shall I do? My inner corner is really like fucking with me. So annoying. So this is the finished look. I feel like a bird. I feel like I'm going to Mardi Gras. I feel like I'm going to Carnival. I feel like, you know, very festive. The only thing is the inner corner of my eye keeps tearing, which made me have to put this bronzer in the inner corner. I wish I had a silver one because a silver look would be better, but since I have bronzer all around, it ties everything in, so I'm not worried about that. I was thinking about putting stones on it, the eye look, but I'm like, I'm not even gonna mess with this eye anymore because my eye is tearing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below which look was your favorite look, the first one or this one. And yeah, till next time, peace.